Welcome back to this new video, guys. With Express. Today I'm going to show you how to connect your Stripe directly into your WooCommerce. Now, WooCommerce has the availability to set up your actual payments, and what you can do is to add your own Stripe account. So how can we get started with this process? The first thing to do, of course, is to install the actual gateway. Inside your actual WordPress, which is the way of how we can actually get started with the WooCommerce, you want to make sure that we are directly into our dashboard. Directly into our dashboard, we're looking for the official WooCommerce Stripe payment gateway. There's no patty clones unless you need specific features. So into the left section that says plugins, I'm going to be looking for the one that says add plugin. And directly inside here, what are the type here where it says search plugin, just type the word Woo with double O. And here you can see that we have the actual WooCommerce element. So here what you need to do is click into the option that says install now. In my case, it will be updating since I already have this already been installed. Now, once activated, you will see a new Stripe option in the sidebar. Under the WooCommerce settings, I might be telling you they might be appearing directly inside here. It says WooCommerce. Into settings, here's where it should be appearing the actual element. So let's go for the one-click connection. You will be redirected to the connect.stripe.com. When you click into the option that says the WooCommerce, you go for the home tab, and in this case, for example, in this example, we don't have any payment set up yet. So it says let's get you started. Click into the option that says set up the payments. If you don't see this tab, what you can do is to look out the exit for the option that says WooCommerce settings. Inside settings, just click into the option that says payments, and voila, here it is, Stripe. Now, you wanted to choose the business account. You wanted to link the Stripe account automatically, show the necessarily secret keys with your website in the background because there's no more copy pasting. In this case, I will choose the option that says Stripe. Then choose the option that says install. This will be installing the actual Stripe application payment provider inside the actual gateway of the WooCommerce. So next time, I just want to type the word that says complete the actual setup. Just like that, it will be asking me to get started with the actual Stripe. Let's go for create or connect an actual account. And just like that, my actual Stripe will be leading me into the actual Stripe account. Make sure that you are inside connect.stripe.com so we are not into another third-party element. So just like that, what I'm going to be doing here is just to connect to my email address. I will input my actual passcode and hit for the option that says submit. Now, once you are back into your dashboard, what's going to happen here is that you should see a green bar that says connected. So basically what's happening there is that your actual Stripe, and if you head back directly inside WooCommerce, in my case, I'm going to go back since I am using an actual test account. I choose to connect my actual account. If you don't have one, it will be telling you to create an actual new account, and you're actually going to be inside of that. Now, I will be asking you in this case to verify my personal details such as my legal name, my email address, the date of birth, the home address, the phone number, and my personal RFC. Now, this is totally depending on the country you're currently living in. In my case, I will be setting up this later. Now, just like that, the actual connection will be done automatically, and I will be now getting inside there. Now, the only problem directly inside the WooCommerce, sometimes it happens, sometimes it don't, is that if you don't have your own connected account, or like, let's say for example, like a tested account, it will be asking you to do it in order to continue. And the problem is that it might be in this case, for example, it might be taking a little bit more time that it used to. So you wanted to make sure that this process, for example, you have time for making this process, just choose the option that says activate now, and you will be now inside the actual navigation of the actual dashboard. So there you go. This is how we can actually get started with the actual in this case Stripe connected and set it up with the actual WooCommerce. Now, just in case, for example, you have any questions, you can let us know into the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Remember, guys, that you might want to always enable the test mode and use the classic Stripe test card 4242, for example, repeatedly until the end to make sure that the Stripe actually works into your WooCommerce website. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and well, see you next time.